Good morning students. Today we are going to start first chapter of your grammar book. Now see the cover page of your grammar book. Now old book those who are having, please purchase new grammar book. This is your new grammar book, Tune into Grammar by Pearson. This is Pearson's book. Now today we are going to start first chapter of your book, that is the alphabetical order. Now students, I taught you earlier noun, adjective and alphabetical order. Now that time you all were not having book. So now as you all have, I hope you all have purchased book. So now we are going to start from the first chapter of your book, that is alphabetical order. Now we'll do exercise according to the chapter. Now I hope you remember what is alphabetical order. Alphabetical order, as you know, I taught you there are 26 alphabets in English and the order in which they appear, it is called alphabetical order. So like A, B, C, D, so there is fixed order for these alphabets. Now students, now let's see one example. I am writing few words. You have to arrange them in alphabetical order. First I have written apple. Then next word cat. Then next doll and bun. Now are these words in alphabetical order? No. Now, how to arrange these words in alphabetical order? We will look at the first letter of the word and we will arrange them alphabetically. Here, first letter of the word is A. So, which word starts from A? Apple. So, if we will arrange them alphabetically, we will first write apple. Now, see, next word after A, what comes? B. So, which word starts from B? Bun. So, we will write next word bun. Now, next C. There is one word from with C letter, cat. So, we will write cat. And then next D, doll. So, now you can see that these words are arranged in alphabetical order. First, apple because it starts with A. Next is B, bun, C, cat, D, doll. So this is alphabetical order. Now see, what will happen if all the words first letter is same. Now I am writing one example. Suppose ball. Then next is belt. Then next is bin and bun. Now students, you can see here all the words start with the same letter B. Now how to arrange them? When all the words have same beginning letter. Here B. So now in this case we will look towards the second letter. Now see here B is common in all the words. Ball, belt, bin, bun. Here B is common. So we will see the second letter. Second letter is here A. Then here E, I, U. So now what comes first? A. That is why ball has come on first place. Then after A, what comes? From these words E, I, U. Which comes first? E. So that is why belt is on second place. And then I comes. So bin is on third place. And then next is bun. So now you can see that if first letter of all the words are same, so we will see the second letter. Now, so what if first two letters of all the words are same? So what we will do in this case? We will look into the third letter of the word. Like for example, students, all these examples I am taking from your book only. Jacket. You can open your book, you can sit with your book, it's on page number 2. Jacket, jam, then jar and jar. Now here Have you observed anything? Now here you see first two letters of all these four words are same. J-A, 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 J-A. Now how to arrange these words in alphabetical order? If first two words are same, then we will see the third letter of the word. Here, third letter of the word is here C, then M, then R, then W. So what comes first? C, M, R, W. First comes C, that is why jacket is on first place. Then next comes M, that is why jam is on second place. And then comes R, so jar is on third place, and W, so that is why jaw is on fourth place. So this is the way how to arrange words in alphabetical order. Now you need not to write all this. What you have to do, pause this video, go bring your book, open page number 2, and we will do the exercise. Now you can see exercise. Yes, this is saying arrange the articles present in Rohan's room in alphabetical order. There is one picture of a room. Now suppose this is room of a boy. Now few things are kept here. All these names are given in the yellow box. You have to arrange these words in alphabetical order. Now first one, you can keep one pencil in your hand and you can put mark. First is ball. So you can put 1 in front of ball. So all of you are ready with the pencil? So ball number 1. Then next is books. Okay, I will write for you on the board so that you can mark it in your book. Be ready with your grammar book. Those who have not purchased, students, purchase it. This time English grammar book is changed. So I am writing words on the board. You have to arrange them in your book accordingly. So number 1 is ball. Put 1 in front of ball. Need not to do this exercise in notebook. You have to fill it in the book only. Now second word which you can see is with B. Books. Ball, then books. Put number 2 in front of books. Then on third place is curtain. So put 3 number in front of the word curtain. Then next is after C there is no word with D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O. Then next is with the P word. There are many words with the P. I can see there are 3 words which begin with P. So pillow, paper and pen. So what will come first? P-A. Paper. P-A, P-E-R, paper. Then next is pen. P-E-N, pen. Then next is pillow. Pillows, it is written here. So you will also put number 6, pillows. Then next, number 7, after P, there is alphabet S. So number 7 is sofa. S-O-F-A, sofa. Then number 8 is stool. S-T-O-O-L, stool. And then number 9 is after S, what alphabet comes? T. So there is one word with T. Television. T-E-L-E, tele, V-I-S-I-O-N, television. Now at the end will come on 10th place towel. T-O-W-E-L, towel. So now in your book, in yellow box, there are words. You have to arrange those words according to this order. 1, 2, 3, 4. These numbers you can write in front of those words. Now you can pause video here and you can complete your exercise. I am going to the next exercise. Next students, next exercise we are going to do is on page number 3. Page number 3. Your exercise is, it is on page number 3. Exercise B we are going to do. Page number 3, exercise B. Now here this exercise is unscramble the names of these animals. Few animals names are given, but they are the words not there in this. These words, the letters are not in proper order. Now what you have to do, you have to unscramble them. So you will get the names of animals. Now first one, what is first? If you can do on your own, just students try to write on your own. Afterwards you can copy from the board. Monkey. First is monkey. Now next is number 2. The letters are N-E-O-D-Y-K. Now which animal's name is it? It is donkey. D-O-N-K-E-Y, donkey. You can write along with me on the blank, on the space provided in front of the word. And if you cannot write along with me, you can pause the video and you can write down afterwards. Next is elephant. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant. Now number 4th is very easy word. It is wolf. W-O-L-F, wolf. Next number 5 is, again it's easy one, F-O-X, fox. Number 6 is dog. D-O-G, dog. Next, tiger. Students, first try to do yourself. Then you copy down from the board the words which you are unable to find out. Next is lion. L-I-O-N, lion. Now, next, number 9. On 9th place it is R-A-B-E is written, so it is bear. B-E-A-R, bear. Now 10th number is zebra. Z-E-B-R-A, zebra. Now on 11th place it is T-C-A is written. Now which animal is formed by unscrambling these letters? Cat. Now on 12th place, horse. H-O-R-S-E, horse. Now on 13th place, camel. C-A-M-E-L. Students, if board is not clear in the video, you can upgrade the quality of the video and you will see everything will be clear on the board. Next is giraffe. G-I-R-A-F-F-E, giraffe. Now next is on number 15, rabbit. R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit. And on 16th place it is goat. G-O-A-T, goat. So now this is your exercise number B on page number 3. Now students, you have to write down these words in front of the blank and you will click picture and send it on your class WhatsApp group. This is your homework. So you have to click this picture and send it to me on the class group. Now this will be your homework. You also have to practice these words. First try to do it on your own. Words which you can do on your own, try to do. The words which you are unable to do, you can see from the board. And for writing this clearly, you can pause the video so that every word will be visible to you. All the best students. Thank you and have a good day.